money matters. Pretending otherwise usually comes from people who already have enough of it, or people who are monks. Financial stability can reduce stress, create freedom, protect health, and expand opportunities. But there is another layer that we eventually discover as well. Beyond a certain point, constantly chasing more money does not automatically create more peace and joy in our lives. Many of us can spend years postponing life itself. Rest later, relationships later, joy, fun, adventures, laughter later. Presence later. Everything can kind of become future oriented. Eventually I'll feel secure. Eventually I'll slow down. Eventually I'll find the perfect moment to begin really living. But life continues on moving. So money is incredibly useful. It can buy comfort, convenience, education, travel, healthcare, more possibility, opportunity, and time. but it cannot fully replace meaning. It cannot guarantee connection. It cannot automatically create inner peace. This is why some people who achieve the stereotypical idea of financial success may very well still feel deeply empty after finding it. They solved the money problem, but not the human problem. Understanding money properly means holding both truths at the same time. Money is important, and money is not everything. Used wisely, this truthful awareness that money is important, but also money is not everything. This awareness can become a tool that can benefit and support our life with a bit more meaning and balance.